Today, we're diving into a potential breakthrough in HIV treatment, a new approach that's capturing the attention of researchers and healthcare professionals worldwide. We're going to explore what makes this different and why it's generating so much excitement in the fight against HIV. HB 500. HB 500 isn't a daily pill, like the antiretroviral therapies ART, that many people living with HIV rely on. It's not a traditional medicine either. It's a new kind of vaccine, designed with a very specific purpose in mind. Developed through a collaboration between Hukapa Pharma and Gilead Sciences, HB 500 has the potential to significantly change millions of lives affected by HIV around the globe. Unlike traditional vaccines that prevent illness before it starts, HB 500 is specifically designed for people already living with HIV. It's a therapeutic vaccine, aiming to boost the body's own defenses. Its primary goal? To empower the body to fight HIV in a powerful, innovative way, potentially reducing the reliance on lifelong medication. Right now, over 38 million people live with HIV worldwide, highlighting the urgent need for new and effective treatment strategies. The vast majority of these individuals are relying on daily medication to manage the virus and maintain their health. HB 500 offers a beacon of hope for a future where managing HIV is less about constant medication and more about empowering the immune system to naturally control HIV on its own, leading to improved long-term health outcomes. Think of it as a specialized training program, designed to strengthen and equip your body's immune army to effectively combat the virus. HIV is notoriously a master at hiding within the body, making it difficult for the immune system to detect and eliminate it. But HB 500 acts as a highly skilled trainer, specifically teaching immune cells how to effectively find and aggressively attack the hidden virus. The ultimate aim is to provide long-lasting, robust protection against HIV, so that the body itself, and not just relying solely on medication, can effectively keep HIV in check for the long term. It's important to remember that this innovative approach is still in the early stages of testing and development. However, it represents a bold and promising new chapter in the ongoing quest to find more effective and sustainable solutions for HIV research. Years of dedicated scientific discovery and relentless pursuit of knowledge have paved the way and led to this pivotal moment. HB 500 signifies a fundamental shift in how we approach HIV treatment, moving away from solely managing HIV with daily pills and towards empowering the body's own natural defenses to take control. The global medical community is watching closely and with great anticipation, as this innovative approach could potentially redefine what it truly means to live with HIV in the years to come. This isn't just another routine experiment or trial, it represents a significant potential breakthrough in the ongoing fight against HIV. The journey is still just beginning, but the hope and promise that HB 500 offers are undeniably real and inspiring. So let's delve deeper and see exactly how this innovative new strategy is designed to work within the body. Let's break down what makes HB 500 different. It's not just another vaccine, it's a therapeutic vaccine, designed with a specific purpose in mind. We need to understand what that means. Unlike preventive vaccines like the flu shot, which stop you from getting sick in the first place, by preparing your immune system in advance, therapeutic vaccines are designed to treat people who already have a disease. They're a form of immunotherapy, aiming to harness the body's own defenses to fight an existing illness. Imagine your immune system as a house with a leaky pipe, a persistent problem that needs constant attention. Daily HIV pills, the current standard of care, are like a bucket catching drips. They manage the virus but don't necessarily fix the underlying problem. HB 500 is like a super smart plumber, teaching your system to fix the leak itself. It aims to repair the immune system's ability to control the virus. Current HIV medicines, known as antiretrovirals, are life-changing, allowing people with HIV to live long and healthy lives, but they require daily commitment, a consistent routine of taking medication to keep the virus suppressed. Miss a dose, even occasionally, and the virus can rebound, potentially leading to health complications and the development of drug resistance. HB 500 aims to train the immune system, specifically T cells, to effectively control HIV without the need for daily pills. This is a huge shift, a potential paradigm shift in how we approach HIV treatment. From lifelong management, requiring constant vigilance, to a possible long-term solution that offers more freedom and autonomy. It's not about replacing today's medicines, which are vital for many, but adding a new tool to the toolbox, offering a complementary approach. The ultimate goal: freedom from daily medication, a life less defined by the need for constant medical intervention. That's why HB 500 is generating so much excitement in HIV research circles. It represents a significant step forward. It's a new path toward an old dream, a functional cure for HIV where the virus is controlled without medication. Scientists want to empower the body's own immune system, not just manage the virus with external drugs. If successful, it could transform HIV care, offering a more sustainable and patient-centered approach. The hope is to move from chronic control, which requires constant effort, to true independence from the virus. That's the profound promise of a therapeutic vaccine like HB 500, a chance for a different future. So, let's delve deeper and see how HB 500 actually works at a biological level. How does HB 500 train the immune system? It uses a clever trick, like a Trojan horse. Scientists use harmless arenaviruses as delivery vehicles carrying HIV antigens into the body. These antigens are the fingerprints of HIV, chosen from parts of the virus that rarely change. HB 500's antigens cover over 80% of HIV-1 types worldwide. When injected, the arenavirus enters the body, and the immune system attacks it, discovering the hidden HIV antigens inside. This activates CD8 plus T cells, the immune system's special forces. These T cells learn to hunt and destroy HIV-infected cells. The arenavirus platform is especially good at waking up and multiplying these T cells. The result, a strong, long-lasting immune response. The goal is to control even the hidden, dormant HIV that current medicines can't reach. It's a smart strategy, using a harmless virus to teach the body to defeat a dangerous one. That's the science behind HB 500's promise. You'll hear the term functional cure with HB 500. Unlike a complete cure which erases every trace of HIV, a functional cure means the immune system keeps the virus under control, even if tiny amounts remain. HIV hides in the body's DNA, making total eradication nearly impossible. But with a functional cure, the virus can't wake up or cause illness, and daily medication isn't needed. Think of it as expert gardeners instantly removing weeds before they spread. For people with HIV, this means freedom from daily pills and the burden of lifelong treatment. It's a practical, powerful goal that could transform millions of lives. The body becomes its own guardian. Achieving a functional cure would be a medical triumph. That's the dream driving HB 500 research. Science moves forward through careful testing, rigorous analysis, and a commitment to understanding the complexities of the human body. And one of the most important tools we have in this endeavor are clinical trials. These trials are the bridge between laboratory discoveries and real-world treatments. HB 500, an innovative approach to HIV treatment, is currently undergoing a Phase 1b trial. This phase is a critical step in the development process. It represents the first step in testing the treatment's safety profile and evaluating its ability to stimulate an immune response within people. This is a crucial stage to ensure the treatment is well tolerated. 30 dedicated volunteers living with HIV who are already benefiting from effective antiretroviral therapy are participating in this vital research. Their involvement is essential in helping researchers answer two fundamental questions about HB 500. First and foremost, is HB 500 safe for human use? This is the paramount concern in any early-stage clinical trial. And secondly, does it effectively activate the body's immune system to fight HIV? Does it trigger the desired immune response? Throughout the trial, researchers meticulously monitor participants for any potential side effects, ensuring their well-being. They also carefully measure the participants' immune responses to HB 500, looking for signs of activation. The focus is especially on those key CD8 plus T cells, which play a crucial role in controlling viral infections. To maintain the integrity of the study, the trial is randomized. This means that some participants will receive the HB 500 vaccine, while others will receive a placebo, a substance with no therapeutic effect. This randomization process is essential to ensure accurate and unbiased results. It's important to remember that this phase of the trial isn't about finding a cure for HIV just yet. Instead, the primary goals are to confirm the treatment's safety and to assess its ability to trigger the desired immune activation. Researchers anticipate having the initial results from this Phase 1b trial in late 2025. If the data indicates that HB 500 is indeed safe for human use, and that it successfully sparks a strong and targeted immune response against HIV, then HB 500 will be able to advance to the next phase of clinical trials, bringing it one step closer to potential approval. Each step in this rigorous process builds carefully on the findings of the last. That's how science advances, one carefully planned and executed stage at a time. These early results are not just data points, they are crucial for shaping the future development path of HB 500, and at the very heart of this progress are the dedicated volunteers who are generously giving their time and effort. Their selfless participation has the potential to significantly change the landscape of HIV care for generations to come. The journey towards a more effective HIV treatment is just beginning, but the potential impact is immense. Before we continue, let's take a moment to understand what makes HIV such a formidable opponent in the fight against this virus. Why is an HIV vaccine so challenging? HIV is a master of disguise, constantly mutating to evade the immune system. It attacks the very cells meant to protect us, CD4 T cells, crippling our defenses. The virus hides in a reservoir inside our DNA, invisible to both the immune system and current drugs. Any vaccine must overcome these hurdles, outsmarting mutations, restoring immune strength, and tackling hidden virus. Many past vaccines failed, but each attempt taught scientists more. These lessons led to new ideas like HB 500's arenavirus platform. In science, even setbacks move us forward. The quest for an HIV vaccine is a story of persistence and innovation. Every failure brings us closer to success. That's why HB 500 is so important. HB 500 is just one path. Scientists are exploring many. Broadly neutralizing antibodies, or BNAbs, are lab-made superantibodies that attack many HIV strains. Some research teaches the body to make its own BNAbs. Another approach, shock and kill, wakes up hidden HIV so it can be destroyed. Gene editing, like CRISPR, aims to cut HIV out of cells entirely. Each strategy tackles a different challenge: mutations, hidden reservoirs, or viral DNA. The global scientific community is united in this fight. Multiple approaches mean more chances for a breakthrough. The goal: end the HIV epidemic for good. Let's look at what's next for HB 500. The future of HB 500 depends on the Phase 1b trial results, expected in late 2025. If successful, Gilead Sciences will lead larger trials, thanks to their partnership with HUCAPA. The next step, Phase 2 trials, testing if HB 500 can control HIV and reduce the hidden reservoir. Some volunteers may even pause daily medication to see if their immune system can keep HIV suppressed. Medical research takes time. Each phase builds on the last. Even with good results, it will be years before HB 500 could be widely available. The next big milestone, Phase 1b data. This will show if HB 500 is on the right track. The road is long, but every step brings us closer. The world is watching for what comes next. HB 500's story is about hope for millions living with HIV. While today's medicines are life-changing, a cure would mean freedom from daily pills and stigma. In many places, daily medication isn't always accessible. A vaccine could change that. HIV research also drives breakthroughs in other diseases, from cancer to hepatitis. The arenavirus platform is being tested for other illnesses too. Every trial, every volunteer brings us closer to ending HIV. Science is a marathon, built on decades of effort and courage. Even if HB 500 isn't the final answer, it pushes the field forward. Hope and progress go hand in hand. In the fight against HIV, hope is our greatest tool.